so that your board stays a lot longer, like a lot. And the board also gives multiplier, and you should upgrade your boards. Then it will do some multiplier, like a lot. Upgrade a lot, it might give a lot, and I give to 10 times, and all you might get to there. You're not liable. Good. Tongue. I got another board. More energy. And if you're riding a board and getting more energy, it will just make so you don't go down, just go up when you get an energy board when you're holding on it. But now I just gone, so halfway I get it. I'm almost over halfway. Oh, no. I should not die. I tried to get the money, bro. It's okay, bro. But they really need 82,000 to get all of this. Let's just continue. Let's see if we could get it, right? I don't know if you could. Let's just play. Wee. Store, I get bored. It's so useful. In case if you're like in the start, you're almost dead, and then you just broke somehow. From the start, you never get there, bro. This only gonna use it. Should I, guys? I think so. Tom. It's time to show them who we are. We are the Cristiano Ronaldo. We are Cristiano Ronaldo. We have 6,000 score. Oh, yeah. And the board clipped. Yeah. 8,000 score more. Wipe. Special card. Another battery. Batteries. We need 5 batteries. That's also one. There's even an achievement we're getting 5 batteries. Huh. This game has a lot of quests. Does this? Might get more energy in some. And these, I saw some gave me more energy. Now my board's gone. Jumped off of it. It looks like I jumped off it. When I gave it my jump. It's done. Okay. It's done. I just got up. Yeah. Who cares? Whip. Oh my god, you are 500 meters away from me. Where'd you go, Lord? Oh, it's three steam wins? That's gonna be easy. I hope. There's a lot of steam wins for easy. I know there has to be 1 or 2 steam wins. I got 2 berries. I'm on the board. We are still not dead. We are on the board. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. Oh, what? The magnet? The magnet? Okay, who knows what's wrong with the magnet. Magnets will collect money, not the energy charge. Okay, let's just... No, I died. Oh my god, we got 30, 40 again. What? Okay, we got 298. No. Okay, we got fresh. It's a fresh start. Huh. We got fresh. What the hell? Why is his name Fresh? Who cares? You don't care about that. We're selecting him. Even if he's the worst one, right? He's the worst one. I'm not sure. Whoa. Close. Spamming. You see him standing there? 2 upgrades. And the skating board, I got nothing. Okay. Let's go. Burp, 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 burp. Ew, what's that? Ew, what? What? Ew, what's this? Yeah, it's gone. Okay, better be. Another buried. Another buried. 3 buried. Oh my god, guys. Okay. I thought it was gonna be like something so hard. I have to have it. It's so long. I don't want to use the board right now. I want to use the board like. I'll show you one thing in the board that works. You can slide on the water, like right off of it, and still just be alive. That's like. Do you guys like it? Tell in the comments. It's called Fresh.
Another board?
Yeah.
Why?
I have 1,000 boards. Okay. And more energy, and another board. What should I say? I'm just a pro out here.
Not bro.